Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting review for you, but please keep in mind my videos are made for adult collectors. So Monster High has partnered with Netflix's Squid Game to bring us the Skull Collector Young-Hee doll. Now I did see Charlie's doll in Collectibles do a short on this, and that got me to digging and doing some research, and I went to Mattel Creations and found the tea that I'm going to spill for you today, so you don't want to miss it. If you have seen Squid Game, then you know that Young-Hee is the creepy, unforgettable robot doll from the red light, green light game who gave us all goosebumps in that iconic premiere episode. Now, she is back with Monster High with a twist. She is part sweet and menacing, which is really cool. Now, before I actually take a look at the doll and give you some details, I did do an unboxing of Netflix mini brands on the short, and then I opened one at home and actually got the doll and didn't even realize that was Young-Hee. And that's a whole other story, but let's get into the doll. So the doll is going to be your standard Monster High 10.5-inch doll with 11 points of articulation. Now I have to say I'm loving how they captured Young-Hee's eeriness but added a playful touch that feels right at home with the Monster High universe. She is rocking her signature yellow and orange dress but with a glossy finish. It is super cute and I love the puffy sleeves on that dress. It is absolutely adorable. And look at her cute little pigtails. Like, she's giving, but she has the cute little Monster High accessories that like go so well with the brand. Like, she's adorable. Now let's talk details because this doll is packed with them. Her head can rotate all the way around, which is perfect for recreating those creepy moments in the red light, green light. And check it out, she comes with the piggy bank purse that actually open up to reveal the winning prize. How fun is that? Like, I think that's adorable that they gave her that. Now look at these cute little shoes. Now her object heels are super cute. They did a really good job in recreating those heels. Again, I do love that the garment, like, I don't see, from what I can tell here, there doesn't look like there's any visible Velcro, which is really a cool little touch. I must say, her makeup is really beautiful too. I think they overall did a really good job with this doll. Okay, listen up, collectors. From October 24th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time to October 25th at 8:59 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Fan Club members get early access to this doll on MattelCreations.com. The doll is listed for $65. Now, during that window, it is limited to one doll per member while supplies last. So if you're in the fan club, this is your chance to grab her before anyone else. Then, starting October 25th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the doll will be available to the general public with a limit of 2 dolls per person, which means you could still, as a collector, even if you've grabbed it, you can get more dolls. Overall, the Monster High Skullector Squid Game Young-Hee doll is a must-have for any collector who loves a touch of spooky with their suite. She's beautiful and she's well crafted. Now, as far as I know, I don't think this doll, anyone was expecting this doll line to drop, because in the Skullector edition, they've already done, I think, 3 dolls. They've done 3 dolls so far. But I really want to know your thoughts on this doll. Or is this doll a buy or pass, a must-have or not? I mean, because even if you don't belong to the fan club, you still have a chance to grab this doll. So just drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you liked the video, give me a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Until the next time, guys, bye.